That's a scratch that I have on my vehicle. You can barely see it. Sunny day, so the reflection is really bad. You can barely see. You just point to the actual. This is it. This is it. All the way there. Scratch, and I'm using HGK7. So that should be enough to actually deal with that scratch as advertised. That's a fantastic advertisement, but let's see what happens. I spent £20 on this solution. It took a month for it to arrive. You can still see the scratch, the minor scratch. It's barely visible, but you can't even take that away. I wasted £20 for no reason. You know what, my T-cut solution was much better than this rubbish. Now we've come on to an in-depth scratch, which is very visible, and we're going to give it a try and see what happens. See if this magic repair agent will deal with it.